So, a couple of new details about the Insta360 X6 have surfaced. A fresh leak reveals the complete front, side, and rear of the Insta360 X6 Essentials Bundle, gives us hands-on comparisons with both the Insta360 X5 and a GoPro-style 360 camera, and even hints at the camera's possible pricing. So let's begin. The front of the box confirms the official product name, Insta360 X6 8K 360 camera. On the side, Insta360 highlights three major features: pure video mode for superior low light, 140 minutes of 8K 30 frames per second 360 recording, and Replaceable Lenses 2.0. That 140-minute recording time is especially interesting because it represents a significant jump over the previous generation. For comparison, the Insta360 X5 is officially rated for up to 93 minutes of 8K 30 frames per second recording with its standard battery, or up to 115 minutes when shooting in 8K 24 frames per second endurance mode. If this leak is accurate, the X6 delivers roughly 47 extra minutes of 8K 30 frames per second recording compared to the X5. Moving to the back of the box, we finally get a look at everything included in the Essentials Bundle. Inside, you'll find the Insta360 X6, an extra extreme battery, a 114cm invisible selfie stick, a charge case, a USB-C cable, a lens cap, a protective pouch, a lens cloth, and a quick start guide. The packaging also mentions extended warranty included, suggesting Insta360 may be bundling an additional year of coverage with this version. Now let's talk about the comparison photos. We already had a good idea of the X6's design from previous leaks, but seeing it side by side with the Insta360 X5 makes the redesign much easier to appreciate. Rather than simply shrinking the existing camera, Insta360 appears to have made the body shorter and more compact while keeping the large lens size. That should make it easier to handle and more pocket-friendly without compromising image quality. Another comparison places the X6 beside a GoPro-style 360 camera. The difference in size is immediately noticeable, with the X6 appearing considerably more compact while maintaining its large dual-lens design. The comparison gives us a better sense of how much smaller and more pocket-friendly modern 360 cameras have become while still retaining large imaging hardware. The front render on the packaging also shows the recording interface displaying 8K 50, further suggesting that 8K 50 frames per second recording is on the way. If true, that's a major upgrade over the X5's 8K 30 frames per second limit, allowing smoother footage and up to 2x slow motion playback while maintaining a 25 frames per second timeline. Overall, these are easily the most convincing X6 leaks we've seen so far. Unlike CAD renders or certification documents, these images appear to show retail-ready packaging, production hardware, complete bundle contents, advertised battery life, feature branding, and real-world size comparisons. Unless Insta360 makes some last-minute changes, we likely already know almost everything about the hardware ahead of the official launch. As for pricing, one leak suggests the Insta360 X6 could start at around €689 for the standard bundle, while the Essentials Bundle may be priced at around €789. If those figures are accurate, that would represent roughly a €100 increase over the X5. If any more X6 details surface before launch, I'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching, and as always, peace.